Good evening again. I am quite happy to share one of the good trade that I made just now. I am quite excited. Is June. So let me first share. So that is the bit of realized money I just made. So that is actually 758 Sing dollar currently, and the position is, so it's a realized gain, and the position was bought. It was a Zoom call. So as you can see, this is Friday, 19th of June. 19th of June. So I just bought Zoom call. So 350 call I bought. So it was around $57, and today, so it has, today it moved up around 33%, around 3%. So 62 minus 57, so around 3.4 dollar per share it gained. So that's how. Now let's go to the screen share and the technical analysis, how actually why I have played that small trade. So just to explain you the analogy, so see, actually Zoom has been actually falling, and it is still falling, but I feel it is still in the downtrend only. But thing is that it it's a kind of a resistance support zone that actually I have seen. So let me go to the hourly chart, that it will be quite convincing that why actually I put that trade. So if you can see this chart, let me minimize this and let me, okay. Now if you see here, so it was a quite good level that the stock was falling continuously for the past 3 days. Yeah, then it has taken a kind of pause here, and the next day itself it has given one good bounce. It is a gap, we can say. This is one also is doji candle, this is also a doji candle. And once we see the gap and it is made by some kind of doji candle, then we can assume that so there can be a high probability demand. So it is actually proven that when there is a gap, so there are some kind of buying order maybe there here in this zone. So actually I put that zone, and while I was looking at the trades, so it was on 19th of March, again 19th of March again, yeah, Friday only. So Friday it came back here, and it was trying to uh, going to this location, but I saw that it was actually just yeah, it came here, and it has given one big move, not big move, it's a kind of you know uh, engulfing pattern. So it has engulfed the other bearish trade. Actually it has engulfed, you can see almost the two candle, red candle, and after that it has made one hammer. So it is again a positive. Then after stocks try to move, so I thought that why not to take a trade. But once actually it was just hovering around this location, because it is a 15 minutes of support resistance zone, and it was just making some kind of doji, and one candle is just trying to move up. Then I thought that the stock actually is trying to move up. Then around this position, 321, I just bought a long position, the long position that I have shown here. So but since it was a quite costly trade, so I made 350 long. Means once the stocks actually potentially it goes above 350, it is a long call, so actually we can take just to make our investment money. So actually it is called out of the money call, so we can actually explain in some later time. So yeah, so I just, based on these analogies, that I assume that the stock will go up, so I just taken that long position, very short form, and I thought that if it goes around this position, so actually I just booked a profit. But once I saw this today, if I just go to that, so yeah, before going to this, so last 2 days actually it was very boring. I thought that okay, so but yesterday it has gapped up. I thought okay, it might go up. That the whole day it was quite boring. But today once the gap only, the initial 5 minutes only, so it has given a good move. Then you can see then within three candles again it moved up. I thought that okay, the candle, the zone has already actually worked out and it may go up. But after that I have seen that the red candle, and once that red candle has formed, I thought it's better to take out my profit. So I made the profit around 338 that trade. So I'm going to show you again. So this was the call actually. So 19th of March, 19th of March, around this time only, 2033, I mean 8:30 p.m. I actually bought this 350 long call with the price $57. And then so today, after how many days, so today after three working sessions, so I just sold it 62.66, and it was again 350 zoom call, and the realized profit was around 758. So this was I want to make one more thing, that it is not only the trading that you want to get profit, because while actually Friday I was planning to make a some kind of, I was trying to buy some kind of movie cam. Let me open Google and let me GoPro 8. So I was just going for some GoPro. It's been a long time that I haven't make any kind of long journey, and I was very desperate to buy one GoPro. So I just thought the price how much it will be, and so I thought of buying that GoPro 8, and it cost around, oh, GoPro 9 also. 28. Okay, so I thought around 27. Yeah, GoPro Black. But so I thought that okay, how much it will be, if I make, if I want to buy this. So if I want to buy this, so how much money I have to invest? So I have to invest around how much? It was around 27,000, right? So 27,000, and so there will be some other kind of mm, transactional charges, and change of the dollar to Singapore dollar to Indian, so there will be some cut. So I thought that why not I round figure 29,000, and I targeted okay, I need to make $537. So that was my whole plan, and according to the plan, so I think I have made around 78. That was more than this one, so I'm quite happy. So let me see if I can get a GoPro. Thank you guys. So that's how actually we need to plan. You should have some kind of motivation, that why actually we are going to do the trade. So as in you get the energy to stick onto the trade or practice the trade. Thank you guys, thanks for listening. So there are two things I have shown, that where actually we need to book profit, and next thing I have shown that you need to have some kind of goal in your mind. Yeah, that's where you get the motivation. Thank you.